I was a physics major, and I was in honors in physics, barely, but I was in honors. And we took our comprehensive exams, as I assume they still do, at the end of the year, and the physics honors comp was a separate exam from the regular physics comp. So I took the exam, and I was all finished. It was, I think, maybe Wednesday or Thursday of the week we graduated, the weekend we were going to graduate. Everybody on the campus was done with their exams, and so it was a time to really let loose. And I got a call at 8 o'clock in the morning from Professor David Park, who was, I think I know he's still alive, and I think he's still on campus. He was a wonderful theoretical physicist, amazing guy. And he said, Mr. Ryan, he said, we think you may have misinterpreted one of the questions on the honors comp. Would you be willing to come and take an oral exam tomorrow morning? Now, you have to understand that this is the last day of school ever, last day of college for all of our class, and everybody's having a party. I mean, and I have to go in at 8 o'clock the following morning and take an oral exam on something that is very, very difficult. So I quickly gathered all the physics gurus in my class together, and I said, here's what I know. And they, I don't know what question it was. I don't know what I did differently. So we talked about it for a while, and then, of course, the heavy partying started, and I was in the fraternity and living in the fraternity house, and I just said, I just can't stay here. I mean, I just got to go away. So I got in the car and I drove around to North Adams and then over to Route 43 into New York State, just to be away from the campus. And got back about, I don't know, midnight, 1 o'clock, and by then things were a little calmer and I was able to go to sleep. And indeed, I got up the next morning, took the exam, and took the oral, and indeed I had just misinterpreted. I missed a couple words in the question and answered it incorrectly. So he gave me a shot at doing it again, and I don't know how well I did, but I did pass. So I got through, got my degree with honors, yeah. But I'll never forget that night.